In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Freshservice. If you're brand new, don't worry. By the end, you'll have your account created and your support email connected so people can raise tickets directly from their inbox. We'll begin by creating your Freshservice account. Head to the Freshservice sign-up page and start the free trial. On the sign-up form, enter your company name, your work email, and any other required details. The company name you provide becomes part of your help desk URL, so choose something clean and recognizable. It will look like yourcompany.freshservice.com. After submitting the form, watch for an activation message in your inbox. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check spam or promotions, then open the email and click the activation link. You'll be prompted to create a secure password, and once that's set, you'll land right in your Freshservice dashboard. Take a moment to note your new help desk URL and consider bookmarking it so your team can find it quickly later. It's helpful to share this address internally so agents know exactly where to log in, and to note your trial period so you can explore comfortably before rolling it out more widely. Next, let's connect your support email so users can create tickets just by sending a message. From the dashboard, go to Admin, then Channels, select Email, and open Email Settings and Mailbox. Choose Add Mailbox. In the form, enter the support email address your team will use for incoming requests and save your changes. That's it. The mailbox is now linked to your help desk. From this point forward, messages sent to that address will be converted into tickets, allowing your team to track, assign, and respond from one place. As you finish these steps, keep a couple of best practices in mind. Use a work-controlled email address for your mailbox so ownership and access stay with the organization. Make sure your password follows your company's security standards and store it with whatever secure method your team uses. When you first get started, keep an eye on your dashboard so you can see the flow of new tickets and get familiar with where they appear. Finally, capture what you configured in your team's runbook to make onboarding new agents straightforward. And that's the essentials. You've created your Freshservice account, activated it, and connected your support email, laying the foundation for a clear email-to-ticket workflow. In future sessions, you can customize fields, add agents, and set up automations, but for now, you're ready to accept and manage support requests in one place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.